Welcome to Parker Prestige. We've just brought into stock this stunning BMW 118i M Sport. So I'm just going to walk around the car and show you what makes this particular example a special car. Finished in Estoril Blue, as you can see. It's a 2016 66 reg car. What will jump out very quickly and show it is the M Performance kit on this car. So the gloss black front splitter, the gloss black double slat kidney grills as well. The front end of the car looks really aggressive. I'm sure you'll agree. BMW LED headlights as well. Just move around a bit further. It's the 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the contrasting red brake calipers, which look really nice as well. Continuing down the side, again, M Performance side skirts. We've got the M4 star mirror caps as well. Very unique car with all the bits and pieces added on. Good tread on tyres all around as well. Will benefit from a full health check from our service department as well, so if anything is needed, it will be sorted. And again, rear of the car, rear spoiler extension, and gloss black rear diffuser as well. So excellent looking car. Probably the only one on the marketplace with this kit on the car at the moment. And again, on the driver's side, alloy wheels, absolutely perfect. You've got no marks on any of those. Generally, the car's in very good condition all around. So we'll jump inside and show you some of the interior. So we'll start with the driver's door. As you can see, M Sport sill plates, which look very nice. And we've got the black Hexagon cloth interior. Excellent condition all around. Even the driver's seat bolsters here and down below are in excellent condition still. And again, same story in the rear of the car. So brilliant condition all around. Rear seats being really well kept. And we'll just have a quick look in the boot of this car as well. Really good space. And as you can see, we've got a 60-40 split folding rear seats. Protective boot liner in the car, and underneath, absolutely brilliant condition still. You'll notice all these areas here as well, still very good. They haven't been scuffed when things are being loaded into the car. So as you can see, I've jumped in the cabin. I just want to go over some of the bits of specification in here as well. You probably noticed the condition of the car is absolutely fantastic as well. The leather on the steering wheel is still nice. All of the areas in the centre console, the gloss trim, everything's still really good. Keyless start, so press the button, start the car. The exact mileage on the car at the moment, which you may be able to see, 24,127. Couple of creature comforts that we've got here as well. So we do have a speed limiter on the car and all the audio controls on this side. So we've got Bluetooth, got voice control on the steering wheel as well. And just behind there, a few creature comforts, so automatic wipers, and down on the dashboard, which you probably won't be able to see, automatic lights as well, which is a nice function to have. Climate control in the middle, as you can see, and up above we've got our multimedia screen, satellite navigation, digital radio, all access through the screen in the middle. Very easy to use. Good space in the car as well, so a little storage compartment there. We've got two cup holders, got a 12-volt socket in the front, as you can see, and in the central armrest, again, extra space for mobile phones and things, and then we've got some more connectivity, so a USB and an auxiliary input as well. The iDrive system all works really well, so the control center in the middle here is how we change the different displays on the screen, so cycling through your radio, your Bluetooth, your sat nav, all really straightforward. So just a final walk around of the car. As you can see, the LED tail lights are now turned on, which look really good, particularly at night. And we'll just pop around to the front of the car, where those LED daytime running lights are turned on as well. Look absolutely brilliant. The car's going to benefit from a full health check in our service department. It's going to have a fresh 12-month MOT as well. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. My name's Ollie and I'll be more than happy to help.